Alright, I'm going to start off by doing part 3 by apologizing. This next button is not set up right. What I accidentally did, you want to go to your next button.click. You want to take these 3 blocks and you want to drag them underneath here. And when you do that, you should be able to bring up your pictures and go through your questions. Okay, so your pictures should all show up and they should coordinate to the correct question. Golden Gate Bridge, there it is. Verrazano Bridge, there it is. Alright, so what's left to do now in part 3 is set up our submit button. We got to make that work. So we're going to go to that button, which is called the answer button. So when the answer button is clicked, we basically want it to check the answers and say it's correct or incorrect. So in order to do that, we need to go up into the controls and get the if-then block. And you want to left click on this blue block here and grab the else and drag it right here. Okay, so first we're going to test it. So if we want the answer text, so we're going to go to answer text here, and this is what will be in the basically the text box. So answer text dot text, and we want to get the equal sign from math. Let's plug this into that first block, and then in this socket we're going to get the select this item. So under lists, select list item, and our list is going to be our answer list. So you want to go to this block here, hover till you get the get answer list, and you'll plug it into this list socket. And then the index is going to be the current global or current question index. So you can just duplicate that, plug it in. So we're testing if the answer test is equal to the answer list. Then we want it to say correct. So we're going to set the label, the answer prompt label, or I'm sorry, the right wrong label here. You're going to select the right wrong label and go to where it says you're going to set right wrong label text to, and we'll type in the word correct. So we'll go to text here, and really this is just a response, but we're going to type in correct, and then I'm going to copy this. So if it is not correct, then we want it to say incorrect, so we will change that to incorrect. There we go. And then the last thing we need to do is add 2 things to our next button. So I'm going to move this down, and up at the top here it's going to set the right wrong label text to make the text blank once we've added it in. So we're going to go right wrong label, set right wrong label text to. I'm going to copy and paste, or you can right click and duplicate, and we're going to set it so that the text comes up blank. And the order here that you put these in is very important. So what you want to do is drag them up to the top here. And this should be answer prompt label. Let's see, set answer prompt label text to blank. There we go. Let's delete that. Okay, so let's open it up. We know that it needs to be a capital A, so if I type in capital A, oh, too many times. You want to try it out and make sure it works. So if I hit submit, it should say correct. And then next, what year did this open? Let's see, if I put a lowercase b and hit submit, it'll say incorrect. So you got to make sure that whatever you put for your answer list, capitalization will count on this. Alright, so we'll do that. Go next. This should be capital C. Submit. It's correct. Next. We can click through it. And basically, when you hit submit, it'll say either correct or incorrect. Basically, you want to check it, make sure it works, and then when you're done, show me, and I will give you credit for the bridge quiz.